Welcome to
Hey, what's up? How you doing?
I talk about so many different things
How you
related to
been?
life and living and
What's
also
going on?
doing everything in
What's
between parts of
good?
the story about life.
Are you
Please
getting it
subscribe
in?
and check me out.
Somebody
Leave a
getting it
whole
for
bunch
you?
of reviews and ratings are welcome.
What's
Just any
going
way a much helps out.
on, people?
Follow me on Instagram. See you
Subscribe
later.
to my channel.
Okay, I want to share this story with you. Her name is Deon Strawberry Hampton. Now, this story has been reported as of November the 9th, 2018. The judge ordered training on transgender issues for all Illinois prison staff and inmates lawsuit. And the inmate lawsuit. Okay, the transgender woman describes feeling like a sex slave. While incarcerated in several men's prisons across Illinois, claiming repeatedly abused and sexually assaulted involving guards and inmates, according to the court document. Deon Strawberry Hampton has sued the Illinois Department of Correction multiple times in the past year, seeking a rarely issued transfer to women's prison, where she believes she will be more safer, and she served a 10-year sentence for burglary. This week, a federal judge in southern Illinois ordered the state prison officials to reevaluate Hampton's previous denied request to transfer, and also mandated the agency develop training on transgender issues for all staff. An attorney representing Hampton called the order a victory for all incarcerated trans women. This is an important step not only for Strawberry, but in general for transgender women in prison across the nation, said Vanessa, an attorney for MacArthur Justice Center, which represents Hampton. As a part of the order, U.S. District Court Judge Nancy on Wednesday said that Hampton also needs to be allowed to attend a transgender support group while in segregation in Dixon Correctional Center, where she was now incarcerated roughly hundreds of miles west of downtown Chicago. She had been prohibited from doing so. The court gave the State Department of Correction 40 days to report back to the training plan, which agency officials says it is underway. The Chicago Department of Correction maintained a strict zero-tolerance policy towards former sexual abuse and sexual harassment. A spokesperson, Liz Lay, has the department carefully considered housing assignments and unique needs for offenders who identify as transgenders. The IDOC mental health professional receives specialized training, ongoing consultation for a transgender expert. Okay, while the court does not mandate Hampton transfer to female prison, order strongly suggests that the Department of Transgender Care Review Committees reevaluate evidence for against the request, including interviewing Hampton. A review of Hampton's full mental health and disciplinarian history in the context of her substance complaint grievances may lead to the community itself to conclude that Hampton is safest in a women's prison. Rosalind said in the court documents, if not, the court can revisit the issue after constitution issues have been decided at a trial. Now, while transgender women can be moved to female prisons such as transferred or uncommon in 2016, there were no transgender inmates in two female prisons in Illinois, while there were 28 in the 24 male correction facilities, according to the federal data. Over the past years, Hampton has been housed in 4 different men's prisons and alleged she experienced abuse and misconduct in all of them. Okay, give me a second. And in Pickenville Correction Center, she claims that the court documents officers pulled down her shorts and asked what genitals What Jenna tell you? She was forced to have phone sex with one of the lieutenant, and the officers made her a cellmate engage in sex acts for officer entertainment. Hampton said that she and her cellmate was warned to stay quiet, otherwise the officers would make their bodies disappear. Court documents said since March, Hampton has been incarcerated in Dixon Correction Center, where she alleged she has been sexually assaulted by other inmates, one of whom threatened her with a further physical harm. Court documents said that Hampton was identified as female since the age of 5 years old in 2016 as a part of a physical transition. She began hormone therapy, which feminized her face while shrinking her muscles and male anatomy. In 2018, her testosterone levels were considered similar to male who had been surgically castrated. The court documents said the local court battles come amid of a larger fight for transgender rights in jails and prison. Nationwide in May, Trump administration rolled back protection for transgender inmate federal prison that has been adopted the final days of Obama administration. The changes after several female inmates in Texas filed a federal lawsuit arguing that sharing facilities with transgender inmates would violate their rights and could be very dangerous. The new guideline used biological sex as an initial determination for facilities assigned for transgender inmates, only going to be inmates' gender identity in rare cases, according to the Federal Bureau of Prison Transgender Offenders Manual. Now, transgender inmates in jail, prison, or juvenile detention face high risk of physical and sexual assault, according to the 2015 U.S. Transgender Surveys. Almost a quarter of respondents reported being physically assaulted by staff or other inmate, and 1 in 5 said that it was sexually assaulted. Transgender inmates were also more than 5 times more likely to be sexually assaulted by the staff compared with the rest of the incarcerated population, and more than 9 times more likely to be sexually assaulted by other inmates, the survey said. Prisons are far behind while we are at a society, said Del Valle MacArthur, Justice Center attorney. There has been a lot of training and working with transgender inmates to learn how to deal with their very special needs and how to deal with their discrimination they face. Okay, give me a second. Okay. Okay, I think this is horrible. Deon, my sister, stay strong. This is horrible on so many levels, because she's like a target, basically. So everywhere she moves, she's not safe. The security, she can't go to them. The inmates, she can't go to them. She's a walking target. And that's sad. You know. But stay strong, sis. Stay strong, because I know it's hard out here. And people don't understand what you're going through, but the girls like you get it. We get it. We get it. I just wish things were just more better for us to utilize things to help each other out more better than we do. And it's sad that we don't. There should be some type of forum we all girls could get together and help each other out. Set up a house or a safe house or a safe place where we all feel safe in case one girl falls off her feet. Her sisters have her back. I could be my sister's keeper. But unfortunately, a lot of girls come from broken home and broken past. And a lot of times, sometimes girls' mental issues are very more deeply rooted. And some can't be helped. Not that I'm saying it about her, but I'm saying in reference to a lot of trans women. They've been really abused. So it's a lot more issues that they have to deal with. Even if you're a person that's trying to help them. But like I said before, I love your feedback on this. And like I said before, Deon, stay strong, my sister. I don't know what's gonna happen. I did a story before, but just don't seem like things are gonna get better. But I love your feedback on this. Like, subscribe, share my channel. At the top there's an Instagram button. You follow me, I follow you back. Be the voice for her, and let you know I love you, and thank you for watching. Kiss the Ray.